everyone, welcome back to this channel. I'm Lalita, and if you still haven't subscribed or if you're new, please click on the subscribe button, the right one, and also on the bell so you don't miss any videos. This video is about 3 planets in Taurus and how you can rebuild your finances right now. And if you're looking for a new job, this is great news for you, because you will have the planets of wealth. All 3 of them represent wealth, particularly Venus in Taurus. And in this place, this sign is very much concerned with beauty, comfort, a beautiful bedroom, beautiful furniture, beautiful everything gorgeous and luxurious. Don't get scared if that's not you, if you're not interested in these things. Still, this energy of wealth can bring you a lot of focus on rebuilding your finances after this crisis worldwide. Oh no, the sun is gone. Okay, so the lighting is gonna be off. We don't care. Taurus. Taurus is about focusing on how to accumulate wealth so you feel secure and happy with your family, that you live in beautiful, comfortable surroundings. Again, if you're a very sporty, simple person and you're not interested in this, but you need a job, right? So this is the energy you want to use. So try not to judge it. Try not to think that wealth and luxury is bad. The divine wants us to be abundant. Abundance means not worrying about money, so you can comfortably meditate. And when you have everything, you usually think about the higher things, like doing good to humanity, or praying and finding out more about who you are and your opportunities, yes, for evolution, and also opportunities for understanding yourself better. So if you're struggling, jobless, having to pay bills, etc., etc., so you will not be thinking about God. So it's very important to use this energy. So Venus, Mercury, and the Sun. How can you use this energy? Always do something about it. Focus on how to connect with people who can help you, and ask for a job or ask for more money. Don't be shy. So this is the time that you can receive help, maybe from the government or other authority figures who can help you rebuild your finances. And also, if you can invest in silver or gold or some other items. I don't know, some people like to collect jewelry or artwork that can become valuable with time. So always remember that when things are chaotic, you want to stay with your family, you want to pray. So go for those traditional values, because Taurus is very traditional and doesn't care so much about innovation. It's more about feeling secure, staying attached with your loved ones, so you take care of them, you protect them, you make their lives happy. And they need you, so family also is all about staying together and being happy. Of course, you can make your family the world, right? So don't neglect people who may need your help, and maybe they're unhealthy right now. They need, you know, your support to call them and do something also for others. All right, I hope this helps you. For mantras, you can Google the mantra of Venus, the Vedic mantra for Venus. It's Om Shukraya Namaha, and the mantra for the Sun is Om Suryaya Namaha, and for Mercury, Om Budaya Namaha. This is sound technology that is being used for thousands of years. When you change these sounds, your brain changes. You lose that fear of money, fear of scarcity, and you start thinking abundant thoughts. All right, I hope this helps you, and see you soon. Make sure you subscribe again and click the bell, so I'll see you soon.